Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we were talking about common issue many TP-Link extender users face, the dreaded red light blinking. If you're seeing that red light flashing on your TP-Link extender, don't panic. We've got a simple guide to help you troubleshoot and fix it. First off, what does that blinking red light mean? Usually, it indicates a setup or connection issue. Here's how you can quickly resolve it. Step 1. Check power and placement. Begin by ensuring your TP-Link extender is plugged into a stable power source and located within a reasonable range of your main inverter. Electrical fluctuations or being too far from the inverter can cause the red light to blink. Step 2. Reset the extender. If power and placement are okay, the next step is to reset your TP-Link extender. Find the reset button, usually located on the side or back of the device. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the lights on the extender start flashing. This will reset it to factory settings, often resolving the issue. Remember, after resetting, you'll need to set up your extender again. Follow the initial setup instructions provided with your extender, or use the TP-Link Tether app for a guided setup process. Using the TP-Link Tether app can simplify the setup process significantly. It provides step-by-step instructions and can help diagnose any connectivity issues that might be causing the red light to blink. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the TP-Link extender's red light blinking issue. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.